Robotics has helped me develop my skills in my upcoming courses in senior high school and college, being keen to details, being creative, and being patient most of all. In high school, we have 3D modeling, which helps us work together and learn more about 3D models.
Robotics has taught me a skill of trial and error, being able to learn from my mistakes, improve on it, and be able to better myself as a whole. I believe this applies to a lot of people learning robotics as well.
Since robotics is a very interactive learning process, very practical, I would definitely apply it in the future. Thanks to St. John's Institute for giving me this opportunity since I am able to learn something new and more.
I believe that robotics has helped me lean over to what I wanted to do for a long time. Computer engineering. I think robotics helped lead me to making that decision.